guys, it's me, Roger.
Me, Kim.
And Josh.
And
we are the Raptor Pack.
Hey, tonight's video we're putting together is on
Kind of a prelude, right?
well, it's a prelude to what Josh has been in for the last couple weeks. It's
Right.
Special Olympics,
Special
Yuma.
Olympics and stuff to do for disabled adults in Yuma, Arizona.
That's right. So when we got down here, I think we waited too long, huh, Josh?
Yeah.
Yeah. But about 3 weeks ago, we found out that Yuma Special Olympics has a bowling program. And especially if you're a full-time RVer like three of us are, and that's copper. You wonder, okay, when we get to this new town, what's there to do for our children with disabilities? Well, Yuma, their bowling program, has a bowling.
It's a drop-in bowling
I don't know what I'm
event.
saying.
It's a drop-in bowling event
There you go.
every Saturday from 12 to 2 or 1 to 3.
Yep.
If you want to get lunch, you come in at 12, and then it's over at 3-ish.
Yeah.
Depending on how slow you bowl. $2 a game, shoes
Yep.
are free, and it's tons of fun. Josh has made
A lot of fun, huh?
so
Yeah.
much fun. And
What do you think
so
about
many
bowling?
friends.
What do you think?
It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Cool, because you made lots of friends in like 2 weeks. huh?
Yeah, I make some friends.
Yeah. Awesome.
So we're going to show you a little bit about his days of bowling, and then while we were bowling,
Yes.
we
learned
found out about another group, huh?
Circle of Friends.
Circle of Friends.
Circle of Friends. And tell them what Circle of Friends is about, Josh.
It's about hiking and we did art,
Arts and crafts.
arts and crafts, and
What do we do afterwards?
we go get dinner.
We do it
Yeah.
to dinner, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Kim, why don't you tell them a little history of this Circle of Friends?
Circle of Friends was started about 11 years ago. There was a mom who decided, I want more than just Special Olympics where it's practices every week, which is not bad, it's fun, but there's more to just being, you got to have friends and you got to be able to hang out with the friends.
Right.
So she started this group and they meet every Wednesday from 4 to 6 and they do either a craft or an event. They go hiking. They
Yeah.
usually go to the City Youth Center.
Yeah, the city of Yuma
And-
sponsors this
yeah.
organization, and
And
they
then
donate.
they do things at this event
Right.
center, and if not, then they go do other things. And they get together every week, and it's really neat to see the bonding of the group. And if you're on the outside, they don't know you're on the outside. They love you anyway. So don't be shy. Come and join Circle of Friends, and you can
Yeah.
find them on a link through Special Olympics.
And we'll put the link on the bottom of our video here on how to get hooked up with them. And they accepted Josh with open arms. A lot
And
of
it
good
was-
friends,
It
huh?
was super
Yeah.
cool to see him
Yeah.
just immediately bond with these people, and then they went to dinner afterwards, and we sat on the edge, and they
Just
all
let Josh be himself.
be himself with all his
Yeah.
buddies, and it was really neat. And then now on the list we saw with the phone number list, they have a junior Circle of Friends
Yeah.
for the little guys.
Little kids.
So that looks kind of cool too.
Yeah. So we put together some video and some pictures. Hopefully you guys enjoy them.
Of our time here in Yuma,
In Yuma, we only have, what, a week?
a week left, and then we
And-
move on to the next.
And we're heading up
Adventure.
north to Mesa and Apache Junction, and hopefully we can find Special Olympics up in
Wherever
the Phoenix
we are.
area, wherever we're at.
Yep, and if you like what we're doing and you have a special needs child or adult child, subscribe to our channel.
Get a hold of us,
Yeah.
and we can tell you what we've learned. So, hey, have a great day and enjoy our video. What's today, buddy?
Today's bowling day.
Bowling? And who you bowling with? Curtis?
Yeah.
Special Olympics?
Special Olympics.
All right. We're gonna have some fun, huh?
Yes.
All right. down here at Inca Lanes with Josh. He's out there bowling. And I have with me today, I have Kelly. And Kelly's in charge of Special Olympics. Kelly, tell me a little bit about what we're doing down here.
Well, as you can see, a lot of our athletes are bowling. These are all Special Olympic athletes, different ages, various levels. And we gather here every Saturday from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. If you're in the Yuma area and want something fun to do, come and join us. You don't have to have a physical. And you go to the counter, tell them you're with Special Olympics, and you get your bowling ball and your shoes, and pick a lane and come join us. It's a lot of fun. And if you have any questions, you can call me. My number is 928-210-3362, and we look forward to seeing you.
Excellent. So if I'm RVing and Josh and I, and we're full-time RVers, so if I come into town,
Right.
Can we just come for one Saturday if we're only here for a week?
Yes, if you're here for a week, a month, 6 months, whatever that is, if it's a Saturday, come down and join us. It's a lot of fun. You'll meet a lot of awesome friends, and we look forward to seeing you.
Excellent. Thanks, Kelly.
You're welcome. Bye.
So there you got it. Come on down to Inca Lanes here in Yuma, Arizona. This is awesome. We've been here for a couple months, and Josh comes out and he bowls, and he's made a lot of new friends. So this is so much fun. So Josh, what do you think about today?
Good.
Good? Tell me about your first game of bowling.
It was fun.
You had, what, 2 strikes?
2 strikes.
Yeah. So, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you're in Yuma, at any time during the year, they have bowling every Saturday from what, 1 to
Whenever.
1 to 3, and you don't just come on down. It's $2 a game. The kids get shoes, and it's a lot of fun. So, did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right. You want to do it again?
Yes.
So we'll do it again later. Until then, have a great day. And if you really like this video, subscribe to our channel, The Raptor Pack. We'll come out with a lot more videos for you. Bye.
Bye.
See you guys. So what are we doing out here, buddy?
Hiking?
You hiking?
Yeah.
Hiking with a bunch of new friends, huh? A little windy today, buddy?
Yeah.
Do I have to hold you down? Make sure you don't go anywhere. Hold you down.
That's not bad.
All right, you enjoy yourself.
Alright.
Okay, so I think I can get a little narration in here because we're not out in the 30-mile-an-hour winds, but Joshua is getting to hang out with some other local adults with disabilities with a group called Circle of Friends. And this group gets together every Wednesday here in Yuma. We're currently right now down at the West Wetlands next to the Colorado River. And it's a group that gets together just Wednesdays from 4 to 5. It was started by a local mom who had a child with disabilities and wanted something to do in the community. So they get together every week, and I believe at 5 o'clock we're all going to go to dinner together. So if you're RVing and you come into Yuma, you can look up Circle of Friends, and you'll have something to do if you have a child or a family member who has disabilities. Pretty neat. There's Josh. Hey, buddy. So it's pretty neat. We're taking a rest here. It looks like we kind of made this look like an Indian or Native American rest site. There's everybody.
Indians just come down here to sit.
Indians do?
Yeah.
Which Indians come down here? Maybe the Kashan?
Yeah.
Kashan Indians? Yeah. Cool. I know you probably could barely hear me with this microphone on my iPhone, but look at that. That's the Colorado River, the little part of it, and it looks like a damn ocean. Yee! Oh, look at that sand coming at us. All right, folks. All right, guys. Whew. We're back in the truck.
Here we are.
Whose idea was it to hold an outdoor nature walk
I did.
on a day when it's blowing 20, 30 miles an hour? Whew. That was fun.
Yeah.
Well, Josh, what do you think?
It was fun.
You like Circle of Friends?
Yeah.
Some good people out there, huh? So, hey, look them up. We'll put a link
And we're
to their
gonna go get
website.
dinner.
And Deanne, who started this, which is for families with adults with disabilities. They get together once a week and have a good time. It's free, at least depending on the activity.
There's Curtis right there.
If they're doing activity with cost something, then there's a charge. But this is something you can do if you come into Yuma and you're looking to connect up with other
Special
local
needs adults.
Yeah, special needs. Huh.
Needs children and adults.
Yeah. But there's no kids out there.
They're not little kids, but they're probably,
Yeah.
young adults.
Right. So we're going to Jack in the Box now. Everybody's going down to Jack in the
'Cause
Box.
that's healthy for us.
Now we're going to go get some health food. So thanks for joining us, and ciao.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace
Ciao.
out.